Queen.com.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system.
The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of Washington beginning at 2:50 a.m. and ending at 3:50 a.m. This is a test. This is only a test of the emergency alert system in Washington State issued by the Washington State Emergency Operations Center. In the event of an emergency, this system will bring you important information. The following tones will conclude this test from the Washington State Emergency Operations Center.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. For more information, contact this station or your local emergency services organization.
RV buyers, save